Welcome guys. In my previous video I have shown how to integrate OpenStreetMap using a React Leaflet. As a part of that tutorial I'm going to show how to use marker icons in OpenStreetMap on React Leaflet. So I'm going to show how to add a marker in our OpenStreetMap. So for this if you see I already have a basic map that is coming from React Leaflet. And to add a marker to that we need to import leaflet, and we need to create the marker icon first. For this let's create a marker icon. So it will be a constant. So we can use this L dot icon, and we can pass few parameters. So one is being the image URL. So since I have this in my application, I'm going to use require and import the image. So if you see my image is being placed inside resources, images, and this marker.png. I'm going to use this icon as a marker. So I'm just going to import that, and we can set the width and height of this marker icon, that is icon size. This accepts array of two elements, one is width and one is height. So now we can use the marker inside our map. For this we'll import this marker from React Leaflet. So we need to import it from React Leaflet, not from Leaflet package. And this accepts two main properties. One is the position of the marker, the lat long where we need to place the marker, and the second one is the icon for this marker. So for this we need to pass again array of two lat and long. So already have this lat long. I'm going to place the marker over there. I'm going to pass lat and long as an array, and then the next one is the icon. So I'm just going to pass the icon just we created. You can give whatever image URL. You can create multiple icons. You can pass different marker icons for different locations. So once this is done, we can actually have a pop-up. So to notify user what exactly the marker is, once user clicks on this marker image, will show a pop-up. So we can import the pop-up from React Leaflet. Inside that we're just going to show some content. For this I'm going to use some text here. Here you can pass any valid React components or React elements. It can be a string, it can be a JSX, whatever it is. So if you see our marker is being displayed, but if you zoom out it will feel like it is not aligned to the center of the location that we just passed, and also our popover is not aligned to the marker's head. For this you can adjust the position using icon anchor. This will move your icon top and bottom and left and right. So the first is being to move the marker left and right, second element being top and bottom. So I'm going to align it wherever I want based on my icon size. So if you pass this parameter and see that, you will be able to see the marker in exact position you want. And also we can pass popover anchor. So we can also align the popover to our icon, because we can use various icon sizes for the marker. So based on that we can position the popover. Let's go and check this. I think now it should be able to point to the correct location. So if you see, always it points to the correct location because now it is not centered. And also if you see the popover, it will be aligned to the location that we want. Now still there was some alignment. I can just move it towards left a little bit. So I'm going to change it. So instead of 3 I'm just going to make it as 0. so it will be moved towards left. Yeah, it's working now. So usually when in our application we might need to display multiple markers that is coming from an API. So I'm going to show how to do that. So I have a list of locations with lat long. I'm going to import this JSON file. For you guys it will be different. It might come from some APIs. You can get that from the API and store it in your local state, and you can use that as a marker. So I'm going to map through this cities, and I'm going to render a marker for each city. And also you can have a custom icon for each city individually, but here I'm going to have one marker icon for all the cities. So for this we are just going to place this marker in our map. Iterate this and display each city. This here we need to add the marker, and also we need index as a key for, because we are running in loop, so we need to provide a key parameter. I'm just going to copy this map and I'm going to place it there. And also I'm going to change the location from the API. So here city dot lat and city dot long, and marker icon as being the marker icon, and I'm going to use key here. And we can change this pop-up content to the city name. That is also coming from this city dot city. And also you can show whatever information that you have. So I'm just having a country also to it. So if you see now you will be able to see a lot of markers that is displaying based on our JSON. So if you zoom in and you can click on it and see that location. So this is what we want. Now we were able to display multiple markers with different content for each marker. And also you can have a custom marker icon for each marker.
Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe for more videos like this.